Social media buzz. I want to thank everybody that's rocking with the buzz. Y'all girl couldn't even get her clothes on to get this buzz out there, as y'all can see, because I ain't doing the live. So let's get into it. Diddy, they said, was looking really nice in court. He wore like a blue sweater over like a white collar shirt. I think the artist is doing really well too in this particular case. Y'all already know that in the Fed courts, no televised, no record, no that. So we're going to get sketches. So I said, I'm not going to even talk about this live. We're going to look at the sketches. Let's get into some of the things I have found out about this trial. Dig this here. On May the 5th, they selecting the jurors. The statements will be starting on May the 12th. Sean Combs has not pled guilty to none of the charges, which is trafficking, forced labor, racketeering. The defense is preparing for a long battle in the courts. It's expected y'all to last like several months. According to news articles, Sean Combs embraced his lawyer and he had 9 words to say while he was in court. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm a little nervous. Several surprise A-list actress and singers and actors' names was dropped during the jury selection. Let's listen to some of the names that was dropped and on why they was dropped. Michael B. Jordan, Mike Myers, Kid Cudi, Kanye West, Michelle Williams of Destiny Child, Young Miami. Michael B. Jordan is not a witness, but he could future in the trial because Combs is accused of being upset with him for taking Cassie on the date in 2015. Young Miami used to date Combs in the past. I don't know what that means, but that's what it say. Other names that was mentioned, they not really for sure what they roles play in this trial. According to the article, they asked the jurors about all these names, and a few people said that they hadn't never heard of them. I know this is impossible, but some people is really trying to get justice, and a lot of people is trying to get on that jury just to crucify this man. This when social media buzz get a little messy. We have a majority of the community that don't even care what's going to happen to Diddy. But I really want to ask y'all a question. Do you really think Sean Combs, P. Diddy, is going to get a fair trial? My opinion is he absolutely is not. It's no way impossible that he can get a fair trial. The whole world know all these people and him. You.
We're not giving up by a long shot. I told Mr. Combs I'm going to try and get his case to trial as quickly as possible. I'm going to try and minimize the amount of time he spends in very, very difficult and I believe inhumane housing conditions in the special housing unit of the Metropolitan Detention Facility. And I'm going to do everything that I can to move his case as quickly as possible. I understand that the government has a great amount of electronic devices that they have to download and provide to me, but everything's on the government's timetable, nothing's on the defendant's timetable, and they're going to have to accommodate me and him and give us a quick trial, and I'm going to be pushing for that.
Diddy had restrictions, so I'm pretty sure they not going to hurry up on the electronics. Allegedly, his family didn't show up to court. But remember, allegedly, him and his own son have their own separate case from this one, of their own allegations. And I'm pretty sure that was on the lawyer behalf not to let them come to court. They children. They shouldn't be dealing with their daddy mess anyway. Y'all tap the notification for the next updates to the Diddy trial.